Alright, what's going on? It's the baby, you know, $1 billion baby entertainment. Y'all know what the f going on. Baby Jesus. Nah, I'm just playing. That was... Alright, but yeah, getting back on topic. What's going on, everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video, you know, I got a few Supreme stickers, and basically what we're going to be doing with those few Supreme stickers is we're going to be making some crazy cool Supreme AirPods. I'm actually going to spend some time. We're going to exact with it. They're going to look really good. And basically, then what we're going to do with those AirPods is after we decorate them with the stickers we got, then what we're going to do is we're going to take these AirPods right here, and we're going to destroy them. You heard me right. I'm going to take these and I'm going to destroy them. They're not going to be usable anymore. They're going to be broken. Just destroying them because I know you guys would like it. Every single time I've done a video with AirPods, I don't know what's the deal, but if I put stickers, AirPods, and destroying stuff together, it just does well, especially with the AirPods. Like y'all, every single time I've done a video to do with like Hypebeast Airpods, how to make them, destroying them, gotten like over 50,000. So you guys show mad love in these videos, so I'm doing another. That's, you know, entertainment. We're going to destroy them completely, and we're going to make it fun though. So I'm going to definitely get something fun to destroy it with, get creative with it. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. You want more like this, go ahead, subscribe below. I have a giveaway coming soon, so that's another reason to subscribe, and we're also close to 24,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate you guys been showing a lot of love. And yeah, this one's gonna be an entertaining one for the books, you know, because I mean, I don't want to destroy AirPods, but I'm doing it, and I'll get another pair, so it'll be fun. I'll buy another pair. But hope you guys will enjoy this. Drop a like. Let's see if we can hit over 100 likes in this video. If we hit over 100 likes, then yeah, you know, that'd be dope. We've been doing it every video consistently, so if we could do that, I'd really appreciate it. Long intro. That's enough. Let's just get started. Hello? Okay. All right, that's enough messing around. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna inspect the AirPods, make sure they good. All right, they white. Yeah, we good. Looking clean. But yeah, actually the first thing I should do is probably clean these, and I'm actually looking at them like right now to see if they're like dirty anywhere. On the inside they're dirty, so we'll clean them up and then customize them with the stickers. Okay, so while we do have a lot of stickers, you really only need one to actually do this. I cleaned them up as much as I could. You can see they're fairly clean now. Like there's pretty much nothing. I mean, I did a decent job, and the AirPods are clean, of course, because you know I keep my ears clean. But yeah, aside from that random information, these are looking good, and basically all you need to do to make these, I mean, you basically just combine them, but you have to cut them. So I'm actually just gonna wrap it, and then I'm actually gonna try and find like an X-Acto knife or something, and I'm gonna actually make them look really nice. So we're gonna get into that process. See, so the first step is just wrapping them. Now you see how obviously it overlaps here. Basically you just wanna cut it right there. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Never mind, I'm not gonna show you all that whole process of me putting them together because it took me like 15 minutes. And it didn't even turn out that great. Look at these. I mean, these are the Supreme AirPods. I mean, they look all right, like from a distance, but like right here, you can see like there's clear errors right there. And that was just cause like I forgot to cut it before I actually put all the stuff on. So I had to like try and attempt to slice it. And then I like missed a cut. So I had to like try and go back over it with some other Supreme stickers. I still ended up only using one, but I had to cut it up so much. So they're all right, you know, but we're about to destroy them. That's what we're doing. I mean, let's just go destroy some AirPods, you know? You ever get bored? Want to do that? No? Okay. Well, I'll see y'all then. Kobe. Oh, you ain't gonna destroy them. That's how we gonna start it off. Some dirt. Nothing crazy, but we gotta get to the action now. I wanna do some real stuff. The AirPods actually did fly out of them, but the way we gotta destroy these, we actually gotta, like, I'm gonna show y'all I'm legit. I'm not just gonna toss these around and call it destroying them. Not like, here, I'm gonna be legit. I'm gonna go get some water. Now I think you know what's going on. My dogs are here with me. They right here, but basically, see? What's up? Oh, you want some water? Here, go ahead. He just sniffed the water, didn't actually want any. So, okay, here's what I meant, but I'm gonna be legit. This is something I know you guys are gonna love seeing. All right, AirPods. See that they're in there, ready? Logan, back away. My dog's going everywhere. AirPods, now you see them, now you don't. These no longer will work. I mean, yeah, pretty easy to tell. AirPods! Supreme AirPods completely destroyed. That was cringy. Hey! Ready? Whew. We're gonna go get them. What you think of them? Yeah. Gonna move these right here. Do some curb stomping, you know, just solid. Holding up decent. Getting destroyed. There's the back so far, looking nice and solid. Ooh, it's a thumbnail. Posted up with the dogs. What up? AirPods versus wall. Test one. I missed. Dirty. Woo. That messed them up. Okay, we're gonna do it again though. We're gonna do it again. Y'all like these outdoors videos? You know, I'm posting up with my dogs. Let me know if y'all want more videos like this. I got y'all. I'll do more vlogs and stuff like that. But we got, ooh, actually, when I threw it, look, we cracked this AirPod. This AirPod, okay, I don't think it's gonna focus for me, but yeah, this thing is like messed up. This can't even fit it all the way back in. And this case right here isn't even closing anymore. It's, I mean, we're gonna throw it at the wall one more time. The amount of all right, versus the wall. We're gonna do this wall though, right here. It is messed up. Oh, yeah, that broke. Where is it? Hey, y'all ever seen the inside of an AirPod? There's the inside of an AirPod right there. We done the damage on these Supreme AirPods, boy. Look at this. Might as well just, there you go. Anybody want a piece of an AirPod? I'll be listening to my music now open. We're not done. It still goes in the case, which means we're not done. All right, we dropped them in the water, did all that. These are so bad that they can't even focus on them anymore. I don't know what to say. The grand finale. Dude, they're fine. So I guess Apple did that right. These are, I mean, you can look at them. These are done. Like, these are beats. Actually, it did separate the top a little bit right there, getting run over by the car, but I mean, the plastic is strong. So I guess it's a little anticlimactic. I thought it was gonna be cooler, but not really, but pretty destroyed. I mean, you can definitely not use it. Okay, so I was actually wrong about the car. It did a lot of damage. Like, these are, you see these? Look, completely, like, these AirPods are destroyed. This one I completely, I mean, can remove. This one, the top, and like, look, there's all the parts. If you want to know how your AirPods charge, there you go. There's the stuff. This is very important, you know, the actually little clip that helps close them. And yeah, the Supreme AirPods, basically, we've deconstructed them. They're destroyed and can no longer be used. Shout out my car. But they're still charging. How? I think I'm just gonna keep these to remember how intelligent I am. And yeah, you know, just interesting idea. But I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If y'all want more, just, I don't know, destroying hypey stuff videos, any interesting unboxings, I'll try and get to those. Just comment some ideas below and go ahead and subscribe if you want more content like this. About to hit 24K, so I really appreciate the love as usual that you guys keep showing me. And also drop a like in this video too, see if we can hit 100 likes, because we really did destroy some AirPods. So, you know, I'd really appreciate the like, because RIP my AirPods. Now I gotta go to Best Buy, buy some new ones, all that. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, or I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I always mess that up, always. Every video I mess up that part, that little phrase. I don't know, it's not like I script my stuff, so I guess, you know, unplanned. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'm Tristan, and you guys can follow me on both my Instagrams in the description right here. And I'd appreciate that. So I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace out.